Today, me and my lovely assistant, Josie, we are going to be doing the Discovery Mind Blown lab, and we are going to be doing the, what are we doing?
Volcano!
Okay, our first step is our second step, 50 milliliters of vinegar into our volcano. Okay, what are we doing?
We're pouring it into the funnel.
Beautiful.
We just add
We are adding what?
blue food color.
This is a half a tablespoon of baking soda.
It's going to blast off really big when we pour the baking soda in. This is going to be very cool.
Okay, it's gonna shoot up really hot. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You gotta get ready.
Ready, steady,
Hold
go!
on. Oh boy, oh boy. Which way do we need to do this? Oh my goodness.
It's so cool.
Oh! Oh! How fun was that?
That was this fun at Big House.